What's up, guys? My name is Henry from the company GI Technologies. Currently, we are inside Kumasi, Abuja, and we are here to fix our electric fence and CCTV cameras for this beautiful house. We move all the way from Accra to just come and finish up this project. In fact, we are installing 8 cameras. All 8 cameras have colored night vision, which means that in the night when the light here is low, the camera is able to turn on its own light to illuminate, so that get colored night vision. That's what I mean. Then we're also installing our electric fence, our 6-line electric fence, to ensure that nobody jumps the wall or scale the wall to come around and steal stuff. We're going to be here for 3 days because when we finish, we're going to a different site for our gate motor project. So if you're in Kumasi or any part of Ghana, make sure you give us a call. Now, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for our catalogs of works. So let's go.